Happy Friday, everybody. Today, as I promised, I'm going to make pasta with the walnuts and basil. I'm very excited about this dish. This is another recipe from our JCC cookbook. This cookbook was actually made as a fundraiser for the new school age playground that we're going to build at the JCC. Many people contributed to the cookbook, which is great. The PTO was part of it. Many of people of our staff and the chairs of the project were Emila Underruder, still are, and Natalia Polishuk. So thank you so much, everybody, for doing this excellent resource and for contributing for the recipes in this booklet. There are so many different recipes. They are easy to follow, they are short, they don't need a lot of ingredients, so they are just fantastic for any occasion. For the recipe, you will need 12 ounces of fettuccine. You will need half a cup of olive oil, 3 cloves of garlic, 3/4 cup of chopped nuts, walnuts to be more specific. You will need basil, 1/4 of a cup, and if you wish, you can add Parmesan cheese to top the dish. Salt and pepper to taste. I have mentioned that before. I use the Dorot garlic, which is really convenient. Dorot is Israeli company that supply different spices and herbs, and I really like it. It's really convenient because it comes already slotted into cloves and it goes to the freezer. So for people like me that they don't have tons of time, this is really convenient and it's good quality. And when I was in the supermarket to buy basilicum for this recipe, I couldn't find any, but I was super happy to find that the same company, Dorot, have also basil in the freezer area. So I was like, yay, I can make the dish for you today. So as you can see, the garlic is already cooking. You can also hear it. It's too bad that you cannot smell it, guys, because it smells really good. I'm going to add at this point the walnuts. And meanwhile, I'm going to cook the pasta according to the package directions. So I will have ready when the walnuts and the garlic are ready. I will be able to put that over the pasta. So after sauteing the garlic and the nuts, I poured it over the pasta and then added the basilicum, some salt, pepper, mix it and plate it. So here it is. It was super fast to make and it smells really good. It also smells and look very fresh. It was so easy to make. This is a winning recipe. The only thing that remains is to taste it. I know it's going to be great. This is fantastic, guys. This reminds me of a pasta with pesto sauce, but it's 10 times fresher. You can really feel the basil because I used fresh basil in the dish and it's absolutely delicious. So I hope you can make it and I'm sure you will enjoy it. Bye bye, guys. Thank you for being with me today. See you next time at 2 o'clock.